My first port of call would be my shirt. I'm not close with a lot of people. I am not intimate with a lot of people. So I have a very close relationship with my shirt. Sometimes I like to watch it dry on the clothesline. It just gives me assurance that I can make sure nothing bad is going to happen to my favorite shirt. I usually leave my jacket in the fridge along with a packet of cigarettes to keep them cool, crisp, to keep them very fresh. I first started noticing that I had an ability for this when I was a child. I would hang around clotheslines sniffing the clothes because every smell of the clothes reminded me of a mystery to be solved. And that might not make any sense to anyone but me. I find it really useful to spend time with the objects involved in the mystery and try and get to the heart of what they are about. So at the moment, all I know about the mystery is that there's oranges involved and not plums. So I like to get very creative, and I go to the skate park with one of my only friends, and we play with plums in the skate park just to get the juices flowing, to loosen up and try and brainstorm where maybe we could start with this mystery.
My juicy plums just ripe for the taking.
Do you mind if I smoke in here? Okay, that's fine. I can wait. Well, I consult with several different crime units. I've also consulted with several different television productions, such as the latest incarnation of Sherlock. Of course, I'm uncredited due to the fact that many people want me dead. I also run campaigns to promote smoking in schools. I believe that every child should have the opportunity to smoke as young as possible so they can remain calm in all situations. I believe this is very important. Yeah, everyone wants to know about the orange case. As I've said before, I think a lot about these things, and people are saying, how do you get from a abstract orange to the exact location of the people who perpetrated the crime?
An orange is not a plum. An orange is not a plum. An orange is not a plum. I imagine that one of them was a builder. I imagine one of them was a greengrocer. I imagine one of them lifted weights. I imagine one of them was a heavy smoker. All of this, I became all of this, and I saw what I could not see as myself.
Is not
Orange
a plum.
is not
An orange is not
an orange.
an orange
Not a plum.
is not
An
a
orange
plum. An orange
not a plum.
is not
An orange
a plum. An
is
orange
not a plum. An
not
orange is not a plum. An 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 orange is not
An orange
an orange
is
is
not
not
a
a
plum.
plum.
An orange.
In my free time, I like to drink. I like to dance. I really like to dance. I like to invite over a paid person to watch me dance, and I also like to have this rabbit persona, and I dance with the rabbit persona while paying strangers to watch me do magic tricks for them.